Yeah. Okay. Hold on.
Do you see that?
I have to pee. Like so bad.
Do you see that?
No.
Where? Right there, in the trees. You see the stuff that's popping up?
Ah. Oh yeah, fireworks. Nessa, I have to pee. Gosh. Robin! Come here!
Jackson!
Robin! Come here!
Be careful!
So far, they're getting hung on and ready to go. Robin, hurry! They went down, and now we're going up. Hold on.
I can hold on to this.
Robin, hurry up! Come here, run!
Fireworks!
Can you like record them real quick?
You're so scared.
No, because I have to pee.
And once I start recording, where are you going to be?
Sitting down so I don't pee myself.
Fine.
And make sure you get them on there.
I know.
It's recording right now.
It is?
Yeah. Say hi.
Fireworks. You see the smoke? We're gonna have fireworks.
There they go.
Peace be with you. Don't die. I can't hold it because I shaked.
Are you getting this?
Yes, I'm getting this.
Oh my gosh.
Are you ready? Hey, you are! They're flying like a...
Is that how high you want to fly, Chip Bonnet? High like the sky?
No!
I like the sky. They really fly high like the
Be
sky.
quiet, it's corny, oh my gosh. No respect.
Hey, you guys! Flying like a bird! Who's crying? Who's the one that's crying? Go to you! Say hi to the camera.
right had the P.
No, I do. Like
Yeah.
when it starts going. And I shake too much.
Just be quiet.
Do you want me to hold it?
No. Be yourself.
That was like. And now they're stopped. Oh, they pressed the button that low. You hear the sound?
Yeah, I know.
Mommy missed it. I just thought you got in that crate and you had that thing on you and it would go like that with the crate. Didn't you? You hit when you were screaming when you hit the top.
Oh,
Did you hear that?
But, Rachel, I got friends though.
Do they both have